Today we're taking a look at what could be the most comfortable open-ear headphones that I've used so far that not only provide extra safety with the open-ear design, but with Dolby Audio, dual drivers, up to 48 hours of listening time and an app to customize all of the sound. The Shokz Openfit2 Plus are a great choice whether you're running, working out, or just chilling out at home. So let's check out what these things can do. So here we have the Shokz Openfit2 Plus, and as the name suggests, they're open-ear headphones, and we've got the ergonomic ear hook design with a nickel titanium memory alloy to ensure a secure fit whatever the activity is, and I like that it also doesn't interfere with my glasses when I'm wearing them. Now the main body uses Shokz Ultra Soft Silicone 2, and where it touches your ear, it's just incredibly soft and comfortable, and it's hard to show on camera, but if I press it here, you can see just how soft and squidgy it is. And they also gave me this demo card here showing the same material, and you can see how soft this is. Now we've got the speaker grills on the top, back, and the bottom, and something that I was very surprised to see is a physical button. Now touch buttons are great and they work fine, but in actual fact, after using these for a few runs especially, I have to say a physical button is better. And where it's placed, it's easy to access and you just sort of squeeze it. And with this, I don't get any accidental presses like pausing or next track that I sometimes do while I'm running and trying to operate touch buttons. Now the speaker grill houses dual drivers which include a 17.3mm low frequency unit with their Open Bass 2 technology, and because each earbud only weighs just 9.4 grams, you don't even feel them on your ear. And the secure fit means I can also shake my head around with no problems at all, and as you can see, they stay in place perfectly. Now for audio quality, I was actually really impressed, especially with the low end. We get very clean mids with crisp highs and some nice low frequency bass as well, and it really stands out in comparison to some other open ear earphones that I've used. And thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, we also get a lightning fast and stable connection. Now it's important to note, by nature of their design, you're not going to get that deep thumping bass in your ear that you get from non-open ear headphones, but this Open Bass 2 technology does do a really good job at producing bass in a pleasant way, while still giving you the safety of open ear and being able to hear the outside world around you. Now cranking up the volume still sounds great and we don't get any distortion from the Openfit2 Plus, and they also go much louder than I'd ever need them to go. And then we've also got a bass boost EQ in the app, and this pushes the bass even further. Now when it comes to the app, we get some nice customizations. You can see on the main screen we get a battery percentage of both earbuds along with the battery percentage of the charging case. We've got a toggle to enable or disable Dolby Audio, and then below that we've got all of the equalizers. Now we've got the choice of standard, vocal, bass boost, treble boost, and then if you press customize, you get a simple 6-band equalizer where you can make more to add to this list. And as you can see, I've made TT's EQ. Now for those of you that use multiple devices at the same time, you can also enable the multi-point pairing, and under control customization, you can customize what the physical buttons control, and you've got the option of a single click, a double click, a triple click, and a long press. And then you've also got a touch button as well that you can customize, and as you can see, I'm using it for my voice assistant. Now in settings, you can also access all of those settings in there, as well as being able to update firmware, etc. And you can even go to find my earbuds and make them play a noise if you don't know where you've put them. Now when it comes to battery, we get a 56 mAh battery in each earbud, and this offers up to 11 hours of playback time. And then the charging case has a 600 mAh battery, and this means you've got a total playback time while you're using the charging case of 48 hours. And if you do ever find yourself out of battery, a quick charge from the case is going to give you 2 hours of listening time from just 10 minutes of charging. With 4 noise cancelling microphones, it also means it's great for taking calls, and whether you're inside in a busy environment or you're outside running with some wind, it does a good job at cancelling out the noise, so it's not going to be frustrating for people on the other end. Now I've used this to take calls while running and had no complaints from the person I was speaking to, and the IP55 water resistance also means that whether there's a bit of sweat or some light rains, there's no issue. Now when it comes to the unboxing, we get a nice compact package, and if we open it up, you can see we've first got the charging case, and you can see we've already got the earbuds inside that. We've then got a card giving us instructions on getting the app, followed by the USB-C cable for the charging case, and then we've got the manuals and documentation. Now they've also sent me a wireless charger, which is great if you just want to place your case down and not plug it in, as the Openfit2 Plus also supports wireless charging. And then we've even got a rubber case with a Jubilee clip for those of you that want to attach it to something. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Shokz Openfit2 Plus open-ear headphones. They provide great comfort while still sounding incredible, and the open-ear design means you can still hear the outside world around you. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below where you can go ahead and grab these for £179, and they're also available in a black color. And then they've also got the standard Shokz Openfit 2 that are a little bit cheaper at £169, but they do lack the Dolby audio as well as wireless charging. Now, they've also got their summer sale coming up with up to 32% off until the 11th of July, so make sure you don't miss out on that. And my link is also going to give you another £10 off for the Openfit 2 on top of the sale offers. So hopefully I've covered everything for you guys in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.